How to start creating a successful blog. Come up with a list of interests. Before you define your blog's intention, you should have a general idea of what you want to write about. The common topics include the following: gaming style, politics, social justice, activism, cooking, food, travel, and business. 1. Know what not to blog about. Things like private information, both yours and other people's, and personal details that you don't want to share with people close to you shouldn't be topics for your blog. 2. Consider your blog's intention. While having in mind a blog topic is a good start, your blog needs a specific direction in order to get off the ground. You can certainly find your own inspiration. Teach something, best suited to instructional blogs. Document your experience, good for travel blogs, fitness challenges, and so on. Entertain, well suited to a variety of mediums such as comedy writing, fan fiction, and so on. Call to action, commonly used for your business or company blog. 3. Check out other blogs in your category. Once you've established your blog's topic and goal, research other blogs that use the same topic, and your preferred style of writing to see how they engage their audiences. 4. Create your blog using a reputable platform. Common blog platforms include WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr, but you can choose any commonly used service you like. 5. Promote your blog on social media. Once you've created your blog and made a few posts, you can increase your blog traffic by posting a link to your blog on social media sites, such as Facebook and Twitter. 6. Research keywords for your posts. Keywords are words which both pertain to your blog's topic and have a high search engine rating. 7. Get your blog indexed by Google. Ensuring that your blog is indexed by Google will increase your search engine ranking, making it easier for people to find your blog when they look up related keywords. 8. Use images in your posts. One thing that search engines tend to prioritize over all else is image use, so make sure your posts have high-quality images attached to them. 9. Keep posting content. Little will cause your blog to stop drawing in traffic faster than not posting for a long period of time. Develop a posting schedule that allows you to post at least once per week and stick to it. If you want to know more tips for creating a successful blog, don't forget to subscribe my channel.